Manchester United in penny for the Cotton and it's been 5 solid months now. More so bit me discussing the bit me akoso. And on the next level of career decision also to be taken. Ten Hag say he is not ready. So Obama may sing you with a call. Inti baby ejinane say Ten Hag G2 me say mo striker amon tomano. Or pe young striker so amoye mo kwasa. Abrantia so G2 me so talented obetimi aboa so some person must also turn on money free on mo kodia any possible. It is the likelihood near say missing Greenwood will go on loan.
Oh, okay.
Obemana Cologne.
Obemana we na sem na hard dream power boy with talent
and Abu one of the best finish. The best finisher at Manchester United. Name missing Greenwood before Ansan Obabeko the situation the Babeko Amana Conchen. The best finisher at the club. Left here Juma, right here Juma. And you could see say he had a very top potential. By loan now a bit myself. That's Okolona. Either Juventus or he's going to move to Turkey. Galatasaray or Fenerbahce no akakosho wonu baby na wakakusi akan ede amomo. Abu Abrante we friend João Neves. Na João Neves is akan de man 18 me friend Benfica. Oye 18 years. Manchester United aboya Benfica ajoso so mo pa Abrante we friend João Neves. Oye 18 years. Last season about 6 matches as a starter 11 from the bench. Manchester United ehuni say obetima a correct replacement the ama Abrante friend Casemiro. If they decide to go with a double pivot, na say Caicedo Boadina. This is one guy on 2 years on betting me akofane na baba assistants. So one in Benfica. Onye arrived Andrew baby o move so betting ma turn na wanako. And omono a stages e wa fibiari player o turn.
We didn't do no so.
We didn't do no so.
That two kwa bo am say.
Okwa ha waso betima e shiye pa. Waso betima e shiye pa because mo di 2 years say after because odi Silva mo kra chi nyina Antonio Silva mo nyina chi.
Oh okay.
Line e wa kakra. Because Antonio Silva or Hoyan Tono, Gonzalo Ramos Crampo, no Munya Day, and Munyan Tono, inti line there, in Yandru. So Manchester United have only gone there and make sure some more interest ever. But Abu Kai have it, we're finishing the deal to Arsenal, £65 million. And Arsenal, Etriadema, Chelsea. Now, we only deal with the £65 million, so maybe £210,000 a week. Now, £210,000 a week. No, we are Juma with UK, Abu Dhabi realistically, the attendance over 150 to 180.
Yes.
Tax, Ebebe. They did 210 after tax, tax inclusive. It is Abrante when you are completing the move, said the near can occur. Then you look at Declan Rice. Arsenal at the 100 million plus 5 million add-ons the coin. The TNA Manchester City did 90 plus 80 plus 10 the coin. And a moment Motia says somebody to make a scan within 2 years. 2 years, which means 40-40. Add-ons near Champions League in the Premier League. On me. And West Ham catch on so the Munya would train. Arsenal catch on so the third bed into more relaxing. But the crowd woman here said Pep Guardiola Nankasa it didn't come over Chilena. Onya Kotia see who say Declan Rice and not dreams of Obama City no. And the Man City decided say 90 the crown of Monsan Fabin Kawana so Monkoso. City dropping 90 the City and follow up. I'm dropping 92 on them now. I'm casting baby and all the money. We decided we are not catching because they were already aware that Declan Rice, a catcher, Teta say, on one will be see a kind of man.
Now, on the answer for the can casa.
No, the answer for the
Asho was a
answer for what they would do. Nah, as a Declan Rice, a catcher say, one of Babel.
Oh, okay.
Now, Yatete stories we send a Declan Rice now or Koha or near Teta Quatina restaurant and I did Abu. The truth of the matter is a Declan Rice or that's on your mammy or vanity.
Oh, okay.
Uncle Bebia, a London one ano motia. Or they not the word name Arsenal back in January.
So Babamo.
And a mass in your confidence a dear chili sadia, but £100 million no more to table no so no. Once time so moon pay 2 years, need 3 years, on pay 18 months. Which means 1 year. 6 months. I was asking that to me 100 million if you.
Okay.
And on Ama Siciano official confirmation in your mind, but there has been a broad principle agreement between Arsenal and West Ham, 100 million plus 5. But the official confirmation no, structures in Kumudi or Moody structures near say West Ham say Chiescano within 18 months. Arsenal so say Yenchi Mufanko 3 and I only 2. And one or Mujina. It by the close of today. You might hear an official announcement say West Ham ne Arsenal etimi agree depending on the structure no mumi onubeti ba and na West Ham ani abrace omo pomusika yi no mo dia 2 yi na say player bi also omo de kofa ne bia no omo de akwa kofa na Ateta a happy man. This boy has spoken to Ateta assistants and everything is in touch so betima kwa koje not
Obama me pacho ye party dacha we no enyensu Manchester is all good in Comodra so yes and for also reze on messenger no that meant for that san the count.
Yes. Arsenal midfield ombenya na ba be count Arsenal nya brace nkomunya Romeo Lavia. Edeneba nyoma betimi akoye di ama omo. And Lavia no quality near more or less say obetima ba be City e chire. Do you need a squad depth but you need quality in depth. Every single team because City wo hoyi. Se Rodri mo bo anase so starting Rodri ni Kevin De Bruyne na Gandogan mo nya no mo nchen olugo ba be bom. Mahrez e bo anwa na tinchen Bernardo bo anwa na tinchen Mahrez. Ellen Haaland de bo anwa na tinchen Julian Alvarez de bo anwa na tinchen. So you need to have at least 18 players abudia bi omo quality ni omo standard na yepe. At least 18 players. 18 players and 11 ebede ebebo de aka na e won nchen no will provide you the quality in depth that you need. And I believe says Arsenal sign where we are, Declan Rice we are. They would love to sign Moises Caicedo, but it's cannot was sort of ultimately sign way sign have at 65 and sign Moises Caicedo without any outgoings. It's Arsenal would love to settle for players like Romeo Lavia Moa. Omoyo younger, Ombetima Baba understand. They will accept say their quality though, but your double champions, your double Premier League matches in the Chen Kakra, near the Wabo Carling Cup Kakra, near the Wabo FA Cup Kakra. All of these games you need a broad squad. Last season Arsenal Safa Kakra, when Partey is not in the team, we saw it. When Gabriel Jesus left at some point in time, we saw how almost struggle Kakra. Then the basis is Martin Odegaard pra. Then the basis is Bukayo Saka pra. So they need quality in depth at every single position, and they are showing that they are really ambitious. This is how you back your manager.
Partey Uncle Bibia.
Partey, on say Arsenal better Lavia based on Partey.
Oh, okay.
No. Say if Arsenal will buy any other midfielder, based on the decision of Thomas Partey.
Oh, okay.
Omoton Partey, be rest assured that Arsenal better midfielder for. Omoton Partey, Arsenal will maintain this team and take it into next season.
When he be see Granit Xhaka na ya na say.
Way any Granit Xhaka. Way a typical number 6.
Oh, okay.
On say Granit Xhaka part no mo hwe sanka have it bit my head. Abishima ba be say adwuma na dia amomo. Eno no mo hwe no. And Partey is not also far away from doing the jobs that Xhaka was doing. Partey betimi abo as 6, Partey betimi abo as 8. Partey betimi abo with the over midfield 3 or betimi abo the other side. It is all Partey now Declan Rice. Now Odegaard in next 30 game amawa, they give you variety of options in terms of the quality that they possess. And Abumiji to me say Havertz, Declan Rice, Thomas Partey, Martin Odegaard, whoever will choose as the midfield 3 behind, they'll give you the needed balance that you need. Abu Abrante Fene Gabriel Veiga, Manchester City, any say release clause £34 million. The issue here is officially Manchester United in first, Manchester City first, Kabianco PMO, Celta Vigo, so mo pe Veiga. Manchester City first Kabianco PMO officially. Adia Manchester City breasted with me say you brief you more about what you need to make sure so bet media to Abrante way and then free Celta Vigo. Iti okwa ani akacho say bia ana scout for no be catch say ye ko ye din komo no ye su kuta 34 out the bar ye be je ni mu ha 34 na ekuta no e bia ofa hanma na ama na katwa say weeka and e betimi abo ama setim. That is how they've been built about it. But officially omo ntro hwe fan koma a team e fene Celta Vigo enu mu na Chelsea hu ni say so omo Tom Messi Mount the next target omo akofa ne Abrante fene Gabriel Veiga Caicedo more as a defensive midfielder. That is how they see Caicedo. Caicedo more as a defensive midfielder no eba be partner ya Abrante friend Enzo Fernandez in that particular, not necessarily as a number 8 as a number 6 in terms of where Abrante friend Moises Caicedo. Next one Enzo na be the 6 and 8 no. But Veiga comes in as a replacement for Messi Mount. Abro no need Jacob because you need squad in depth too and you need quality in depth. Chelsea so I explore sa Abrante we say no mo kotwa say scan na nyoma betima koye dia momo. Todd Bowley mo so tena say dream wo so munya ja Messi Mount kwan a scan be di omo nsem na next target Abrante friend Veiga so ba koto no e de na ababishim na nyoma etima koye e de ama Chelsea. Na no na abudia bi say movie on Abrante friend no Madison assign the amateur Tottenham Hotspur. Na omuni Newcastle na e pre ho. But me catch say Newcastle omuntimi sign because omato to nearly 70 million euros.
Yes.
Unless they sell. And then they had the advantage for Tottenham Hotspur, Tottenham Hotspur, Borussia Dortmund. And I me catch say Tottenham so sign more than 40 million pounds or better so. And Tottenham are signing for 40 million pounds. And now Tottenham yes, Tottenham sign automatically for 30. Who did they 30? They 30 years. Tottenham sign Madison for 40 million pounds. No money turn Harry Winks at the Leicester City 10 million pounds.
Oh, they are not Canos.
And on a better 10.
Oh, okay.
Two separate deals there.
But oh, I last time me no din come over there. So I check the player the value now. Oze we last season no mo pebe 60
no mo pebe 60 70
ediko 80
ediko 80
ma worry nti no who sky is your moton
they say this is 49
ah no ananya no Akomeah
iti abu esobete it is see an Harry Wings Leicester City then when your Madison no Tottenham Hotspur Hurricane any Bayern Munich Hurricane aka yes e dey ache Bayern Munich
waka yes say
say me Bayern Munich no oh Hurricane when he so be see aka dey amaya na yes when he so be see aka dey amamo but the rest lies between Bayern Munich and Tottenham now mo dey be Tottenham Hotspur baby omugina say no almost say ye address ye beton Hurricane first bid from Bayern Munich na 60 million pounds now what be the 70 80 back almost so money now with the system aba oba na Tottenham say masa ye ni mood ni mukrase no mbedi nkomo masa kotam system di aba Bayern Munich kasa ko back boabo na so mo the 80s Bayern Munich ve mo de bani na na based on Hurricane approval or dia mo so ba be si akan dia mo based on Hurricane approval dia mo and Hurricane is ready to run down his contract with the 1 year na aka say obabo wi no ko free
obezo yes asisia
someone turn na why ready so betena abo on kasa bebri
na o me ade na Daniel Levy o yes
Daniel Levy dey say ni sunu ne ban ne dey
be who be that na boy we so money dey up on consider
and you
30 years
the consideration even comes in say who a new coach awaba
yes
you need an investment
yes
quote price they huni is a tournament quote price o
dabi
Daniel Levy in quote price and then the biggest issue of face on quote price what quote price can make a issue but quote price bia SOMPA and ultimately turn Hurricane for 100 million pounds which is approximately getting to be 115 million euros and 110 million euros now abu ubetimi dia ye nyoma bebre assign a lot of players their babiship but they are scared so mo turn na why no mo kwakofa na gina babiship and any ade aton na mo kire ni zizia ayo madwendwen
o ba say do
na wo ye dey kwa na ka 1 year no kwa na so oja honom kwa
dey na be babiship
and you see an Bayern Munich ana abem the team Man United twa mo ze Man United call Daniel Levy and Daniel Levy ka James masa menye madwen kwa se mo no better say di nko na Manchester ko gina nchen baabi sa no aka che Bayern Munich it Bayern Munich kwa ba sa di 8 aba o ma madwen so mo di scale be popo Daniel Levy is not about all about money. Let them put it at the back of their mind. So this is going to be a very tough deal for Bayern Munich to complete. But as it stands, Hurricane have told them say yes, so Babi see a kind of Kim Min-jae. Not less than 12 million euros for Bayern Munich.
Kim Min-jae.
Yes.
Oh, but Napoli is another team and you more delay on transfer issues. I am anything. But as a boy with the movie smoothly. I didn't come on as anything.
Where will release clause?
We know release clause.
And a release clause only activated between 1st July to around 15th July.
Oh, okay.
Release clause no price no any more than 56 million euros. After sa release clause no, it's not Napoli ankasa ne negotiate sanka only release clause ni free. Ansa na kwa military service na okọ ni krom no. No mo person mo ne sign contract extension na ko yi free. Na so okoba na obi pena table ni gina De Laurentiis so no be decide say meton anasa menton o price ye say it the abo by Munich ni nyina na said there is a release clause attached to this particular boys deal. Now Manchester United no we interested in Kim Min-jae obi obeka tell say Manchester United ni interested bia na is a lie. Na boy nankasa camp in terms of only agency they were pushing say nkoba ko si akandama Manchester United. Ehon na no because of the global appeal and how Omuji 2 years said is going to be treated in Missy Kasemo Benyane, all of these things. But Manchester United, my agency, I said, Moon try, say, Manchester United, person, Moton, one of their centre backs, and San and Komako for Kim Min-jae. And about Munich, so affair, children, said, no, we need a centre back that can compete Matthias De Ligt and Open Meccano. When Ankasana Obano, Bayern Munich better left footed centre back and Omunya left footed centre back. But Abrante we no Otimibo as a right foot or a right foot centre back now, but Betima Sabo as a left foot centre back with ease. Or Betima boy Chiro Honum no, or Betima boy or fully relaxed and is comfortable with such quality. Kutana so Betimi there is a man. It's not about medical is a way any priority no money can find first with a release clause. No more than a bar. Then they'll concentrate on getting a specific be a left footed centre back. On the Babishima man Yomakui Ediamomo. And I'm a Bayern Munich and Yabro secure with the personal terms they say they over. Abrante friend Kim Min-jae akache Manchester United say only Bayern Munich and ekwako di juma not less than 12 million euros a year okwako je ne Bayern Munich it July ni enye rema Bayern Munich be rem so be trigger the release clause of Abrante friend Kim Min-jae na no na ye Inter Milan o mani abre den se fratesi deal na wo so mutimi wie ne nyina so gina Brozovic deal ne so said na medical aka no but Marcelo Brozovic aka che na self one say on man na match na because onye na adwe so be movie for me till di aba so Marcelo Brozovic so on Madias can no kwa kofa no when no de akwa kofa Fratesi already no omo verbal agreement with Sassuolo so Fratesi no omo twia 35 million euros na de afa no 35 million euros no omo twia na nya no nko an omo wo eye player ba ko fa ne Samuel or striker o si aka ne ma Frosian or 22 years Sassuolo for Pabrante we Inter Milan play omo de na loan e o Frasioni it is a Inter Milan e make sure so omo jai Brozovic kwa ma na kwa omo fa Fratesi a no mo Samuel e ma 18 me fa ne Sassuolo so aye den aka ho as loan na sanka deal na aye den every and they need to sell and na akwa kofa pressure nyina de aba omo pese omo ton Onana animanimu ya ma ne kopi mo Manchester United no because they need money scan omo hia na so de ade no everything shows so money abrasion meton Onana because they've already started discussions with Trump na oba be see akande am mo no hwe ni so be sign the number as a replacement for Onana and omo ne Manchester United so adi nkomo adu achi ba Manchester United ensure anything official family omo say ska we ni ye de ba by ye din komo atiase ehunu say ye pe Onana almost pay 50 million euros inclusive add-ons Manchester United so munya abotrema omo betwen no mu diskana bre omo no ma ba be form eno ni Inter Milan
Akomeah Lukaku de ni gwa
gole assembly gina woni nyina na abudia bi a big issue because Lukaku so on person be come back to Chelsea
Lukaku no more Chelsea
Lukaku person be come back to Chelsea also feel comfortable with Inter Milan and he wants to stay at Inter Milan.
Oba bi zo ba Chelsea aka fi na ebe fa o ana.
He wants on no pebe bia amanfo be gina tum. That is where he wants.
Chelsea omo gini tum.
Abu Romelu Lukaku ni Chelsea. Dem say ko kana Chelsea supporters ni say na Romelu Lukaku na be striker ma mo na say dem say wa ko fa asem aba pa. And Lukaku deal no. Man ka Inter Milan e penny back loan. Ana Chelsea say there be wa ba loans ade. Eba sana ne value ni ye dey sorti mo pena mo first come ye dey emeto eno ana mo yo madwen say ko mo de 40 million euros be dey ebe ko na 40 no ko fa na we onton obi a say yet na 40 million na ono de be ko na emza ye no kokwasa wonya be no kwa 40 no kwa say Chelsea be je no kwa so ye dey bibi o ana mo di new proposal akoma Chelsea say o de na mo mfa ne ma ye loan they agree on a specific fee with an obligation to buy.
Oh, okay.
It's yen na ejitum so bebolo na obligation fee ni say 35 40. Yate at the end of the season 2023-2024 season no. You be sign. And no na adane konebra between Inter Milan and Chelsea when it comes to Romelu Lukaku. On to kwa nko Saudi Arabia assistants.
Obebo Interna.
Interna why na dey so bebo. Esimla so hwe ni musa nkomunya na komope. After say Inter Milan confirm Marcus Thuram, but Marcus Thuram will replacement for Lukaku. Marcus Thuram will replacement for Edin Dzeko.
Mate, merase pa mezaya. Ti transfer non commode Michael Akomeah Jenfine be rame ti me da mana mo